farm managers to the Oba of Benin. Go and ask him. If I'm lying, let him sue me. And when I'm coming to court, I'll come with my historical documents and antecedents. That can't be me now. I don't even know where to start the Benin history. I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to start about the Benin history. Efo. Yeah, madman. Not today. Eloghosa is a madman. He doesn't look at her speaking fine. See, not be fitter. See, speaking handsome. Man. Look at it. I handsome finish. Only me now handsome. Only me now see no books. Yeah. I 20. 20 above one. School record now post it. Sasa Giwa, God bless you, my brother. He said you have been watching us for 3 to 4 months. He said, dust your books and continue your history. We are enjoying it. The boy who spoke with me yesterday, his name is Really Prosy, aka. That's his name. His name is Osase Giwa. He said, man, leave those people. You don't need them. They're not your class. They're not your class. I am a necessity. I am a material. I am a machinery. Yes. That boy that spoke yesterday when I went before off the live video, his name is Osase Giwa. That's my immediate younger brother, the one that follows me. If I have any family meeting, he's the one representing me. He said, leave those people. You don't need them. He said, I have watched you closely for the past 3 to 4 months. He called me this morning. He said, hey, Professor, leave all those people. You are not supposed to be in that place. I can be living in the stream. Living in the stream. There'll be problem. There'll be catastrophe. See, I don't use filter. See, you see, and some man, intelligent. Oba talk me. I come from the lineage of Idia Niyesigi. That's where I come from. We are warriors. History continue. If I have enough sufficient tempo sufficient orgy, I will cut even Kalekwa Obanugun. There's a question one small boy was asking about Obanugun. It was Oba Inyen Buddha. Oba Inyen Buddha was the one that finally recaptured Obanugun into the control of the Benin Empire. Obanugun. The story of the Obanugun in Oriomo, in Umogunokwa. It was Oba Inyen Buddha that actually brought that people back under the control of the Oba Benin. We're going to see interesting history about Obanugun. That small boy is. I am the last man standing. Where others don't go, I go. What others cannot say, I say. I am the only historian who said that the Benin did slave trade. We did. Why will I lie? Oba no you hungry man. Hungry man is good. Sure, I don't hungry, I'll go run now. Sure. But the BD people. What are you doing here now? Oh, I be hungry man, leave me. Hungry man is narrating history. You are here. Obanugun, the story of Obanugun. Oba Inyen Buddha was the Oba of Benin that finally subdue Obanugun under the control and influence of the Oba of Benin. Abadabidi. Now with the runner, you know easy to know book. You know easy to know book. That small boy, if he's there, send him a message. The blind Batumos. My name is Prince Eloghosa. I want to respond to you on the history and circumstances that surrounds Obanugun. Obanugun was subjugated by Oba Inyen Buddha. He brought that control under the Oba of Benin. I will tell you what led to it. Yes, In Benin, I've said it before. For those of you who are following me, I said before, I said in the olden days in Benin, it is a tradition that if you are the eldest son of the Oba, it does not mean that automatically you will be the next Oba of Benin. No. Blind Batumos, point number one, I want to give to you. In the olden days, even though you are the eldest son of an Oba of Benin, that is not an automatic ticket that if Otorari roadway, you will not be the next Oba of Benin. No, that's not automatic. It's not automatic ticket. It is the Edions that still have the final decision. The Edions still have the final decision. And you said, what did you say? You said Odion, where Owera in Benin. Yes, really, yes, it is true. Even though you are the eldest son of the Oba of Benin, that is not an automatic ticket. That if the Oba of Benin has gone to join his ancestor, therefore you will be the next Oba of Benin. No. Go and look at what, for example, go and look at Oba Ewari II, what he said to Oko Nohwa. That is history for you. In the olden days, the Edions has the final say. The Edions has the final say. The Edions have the final say. That was what transpired in the case of Oba Nugun. It is true that Oba Nugun was the eldest son of a particular Oba. But because of one thing or the other, the Edions did not allow him, they did not crown him as the Oba of Benin. That's why we say the Council of Elders are known as the Edions, the Edionene, the Edionisen. The Edionene or the Edison, the Edionene or the Edionisen later metamorphosed to Uzamaniyon, where I appears to be among the Edohe family, among the Uzamaniyon. I got history and all you remember no J or Ton. Man, I give it you. Me not come senior. Of a Musalone. So point number one, in Benin tradition, even though you are the eldest son of an Oba of Benin, it is not an automatic ticket that Oto Ayidorwe, then you now become the Oba of Benin. No, it is the final decision lies on the Edion, the Edionene, Edionisen, which later metamorphosed to Uzamaniyon. That's point number one about the story of Oba Nugun. Because one small boy, he called the blind-eyed boy, is procrastinating. It is Oba Inyegbuda. Oba Inyegbuda was the one that finally subjugated and subdued the Oba Nugu under the control and influence of the Oba of Benin. I hope I'm responding to your question now. And let me also shock you, small boy. Go and read if you want to know more about the subjugation and the subdue of Oba Nugu. Go and read a book titled The Benin Military Might. That book is titled The Benin Military Might. And the author of that book is Professor Benson Osareme Osadolo. He's a professor of history in the Department of History and International Study of the University of Benin. Go and read that book, my boy. When you read that book, those of you reading Igareva's book. Igareva's book is outdated. Don't read that book anymore. Igareva's book is outdated. Don't read that book anymore. Go and read. There are modern history books that talks about the Benin history, traditional culture. Go and read those modern books. Go and read the Benin Military Might. The Blind Batumos. Go and read a book titled The Benin Military Might, and the author of that book is Professor Benson Osarieme Osadolo. When you read that book, you will see how Oba Nugu was subdued and subjugated to the control and influence of the Oba of Benin. There were 3 Obas that dealt with him, and the last one is Oba Inyegbuda. Go and read your books. I'm here, you can't change history. I dare anybody, any Benin historian. I dare you. I want to be procrastinating. I want my the boast now. Because history now you ain't been. I used to be calm, humble. No, those things are, humility is gone. Humility is gone. Humility is gone. When I narrate little history, I will raise the purposeness of myself. Obanugu is an Enogie. It's not an Oba like my Oba of Benin. Obanugu. Yes, something transpired in history. The elders decided to say, okay, you go and have control over those communities. But those communities are under the control and influence of the Oba of Benin. And people, history not they change. Anytime you see me, I'm an historian. The only thing I know how to do is to narrate history. That's my job. That is my job. Obanugu. I have many materials on Obanugu. Many materials. Many materials on Obanugu. Obanugu, blind Blatumos. Obanugu is an Enogie. It's an Enogie. It's not a king. And you also said that there is no kingdom. There's no king in Nigeria. What an historical blunder. My brother, what we have kingdom. But we have what we call constitutional monarchy. The kings we have in Nigeria today are based on what we call constitutional monarch, constitutional king. In the past, we used to have what we call absolute monarch, absolute kings, absolute queen. But after the fall of the Benin Empire, we now have what we call the constitution. The Oba of Benin is a constitutional monarch. He's no longer an absolute monarch anymore. You guys should go to school. Why are you in school? Why are you I'm not in school. Go bye. Many go bye. The Oba of Benin is a king, but not an absolute king, but a constitutional king or a constitutional monarch. The word monarch means king or a queen. So when I say monarch, I'm talking about king or a queen. I'm responding to the blind Blatumos. I don't feel engage you directly, but I will respond to your Abadabidi. Even though you are the eldest son of the Oba, it is not automatic ticket. The current Okonokwa, that's the things that will happen now. It will not be the next Oba of Benin. With due respect to you, sir. I'm just trying to elaborate on history, sir. Long may you live. There are some circumstances that will deprive the eldest son from being crowned as an Oba of Benin. That is history. That's what transpired in the case of Obanugu. The elders decided to say, you will not be the Oba of Benin. And what did they do? They decided to use some what they call palace intricacy. What they call the royal intricacy. Intricatus babus. They deceived him before he went to that side and returned. They crowned his younger brother as the Oba of Benin. When he came, they said, okay, to settle the issue, you just go to those areas, go and be in charge of those areas. Just go and take over those areas. Benin history too sweet. Or the real Anana F4. Wabe Dodoji, then he must do Wakae. Or where Dodoji, near the Magi. It's true what I told, or maybe I talk him anymore. That's it. What I teach you, I would do, not a tama. Okokanoba, or when you got woo. I give me on Okoka. Now, me, they boast today, now me, they boast her. If others are saying it, you are talking about when look at. I can say no, it's a gift. A man who has taught for more than 20 years. A man who has taught for more than 20 years. A man that has double honors, double degrees. I'm incomparable. And for those of you who are watching me, concerning a video I did about Imastro Zodua, I did that video because people's mad they tagged me. Yes, Esperanto, Esperanza. He tagged me in that video. Somebody said you are jealous of who? As I did so, now people that they jealous me for book. I may not be able, I may not dress didactically, but when it comes to education, I am didactic. But see, I mean, I say me bene, of one be. It is very difficult for you to see any man or woman that will defeat me when it comes to any exam. When I was in primary 3, I took first 2 different times. Primary 3. First, I went to Uniben, I got 2-1. 2-1 in Uniben. As I'm studying law now, I'm going to get first class in LLB. First class, I can. Don't worry, when I resume school now, I'll be showing you videos live when I'm going to school. Some people say you are jealous of me. What do you know? Me, jealous person. Now people they jealous me. I just want to clear that. I just want to clear the air on that one before I continue. People's man that you not fear. You tag me for person video. Now send message to now. I don't wear a binya rinyako, a binya or rinyako. If you see me, I dress simply. I dress simply. Oh no. But he has one calibre kone. Erea musalo. Eya aton. That's why I did that video. I don't have anything against any fucking body. Make both of them. Now people they jealous me. You can build skyscraper. The money I will use to build skyscraper, I will use the money to buy books. You can buy SUV. The money I will use to buy the money you use to buy SUV, I will use to go and buy books. I'll be reading. I may be driving cheap car. I may not go to party. The money I will use to go to party, I will use it to go and buy books and be reading. And that's why I'm a genius. If you give me money to go and buy trainers of 200,000, I will buy one of 100. The remaining 100,000 I will use to buy books. And if anybody who lives around me, if you are dull, you will be intelligent. When you see every day I read book, I'll tell you, say, guy, can't even make the read. Go to read. That habit of reading, I will beat it in you. That's why they call me Le Book. Le Book. 20 years ago, they were calling me Le Book. I'm a bookworm. All logonia, I'm not a defeating mania. Or logo. That's why I did that video. All back where you saka ki do or what makin. Game over say I'm me do. Some of you said they buy me over. None of the shame, they buy me over. They not buy me. Carry una come from my carry me come off from the hand. So they buy me over. Say, I'm a do. What your historian said is wrong. He was trying to instigate the Esa against the Benin. That is not what the Oba says. The Oba says romance, wine, dine with the Esa people. If you watch that statement made by that guy, he was saying that the Oba is only for the Oba say he's a father for the Benin and also the father for the Esa. If these people do not accept it, leave them to their fate. Don't argue with them. If an Esa man insult the throne of the Oba of Benin, what do? Tell him or her, you are insulting your father. Esa man will tell me, say, hey, Oba, I said, wait, now you know, now your Oba, your papa, now you the cause. I'll walk away. I will not insult any Onoji in Esa land. I will not do that. I saw one man squad. He say, "Wait, he must talk." He say, "Correct. There's nothing wrong in it because your brain is dead." And then one man squad. You have a dead brain. What would you call interpretation? You have a dead brain. Now you get. Your brain is blind. If any Esa man insult the throne of the Oba, I, Prince Eloghosa, I will say, now you know, you the cause your papa. I walk away. I will not retaliate by insulting any Onoje in this land. Because the Oba says that the throne of the Oba of Benin and the any Onoje in this land, he said they are one. He said they are one. Your so-called historian says that we should fight them back. And I said no. He said when he sought your father, I said, the Oba said he's not only the father of the Benin, he's also the father of the Asian people. A people's mandate, your CSO, your guano, enough your master, woto, enough your name of your no, say I did jealous, huh? Jealous who? That one I want jealous. Me, jealous. Me no the people they jealous me. Enough your name. Because people's mandate you tagging me, it means you want to do what they call compare and contract. Compare and contract. Look at what Imasuwen said, and look at what I said. I said, don't worry. Pour by water, God bless you. They said you are controlling me. Oh, continue to control me. Oh, I love it. The thing is benefiting me. God bless you. Pour by water. When you meet people who are intelligent, you will know, you flow. Yes. If I be controlled by pour by water, so be it. If a man I have not seen can control me and take you people away from people I communicate with every day, so be it. So please, nobody should tag me. If you tag me with anybody, I will rubbish that person. Don't ever tag me with anybody. Don't ever tag me with anybody. I beg you the name of Enikao. Don't tag me with anybody. If you tag me with anybody, I will do what to call compare and contract, and I will humiliate that person. Just the way I humiliate Imasuwen Zoduwa in that speech that he made in the voice of Benin TV. Send him to that video. If you tag me in any video with anybody, I will rubbish that person. Don't tag me. I have no mate. About where Iwesa, why Yamena Regon, Imasuwen Zoduwa said Iwesa Egon Yaki. Why listen to that video? Why can't we Iwesa? Why can't we Iwesa? Meaning, don't see them as strangers. No. Iwesa Kiwedo Opa Mayaki. That is my Oba. Oba talk me. He said. Then your so-called historian said, it's a man, killer. Kill a noge. Koso noje. Whether you like it or not, whether Benin and Esa, the closeness too much, the proximity, the connectivity between the Benin and the Esa, the many, their food, the many, Oloi, Ezomo, those two things, go compare. Well, Eloghosa. Some people get me, they don't know the value. They say I'm big control. Some people have me, they don't know the value. So I said, God bless you, my brother. You heard what he said yesterday. He said, I'll be watching you guys. He said, dust your books. I continue to narrate your history. We are enjoying it. God bless every one of you who appreciate my time and knowledge. Enikao has been taking care of me. They say I'm jobless. And in all women, who are those people that want to put me those clothes that are not my own? There are people who are envious and jealous. Why must he be Eloghosa? Who's Eloghosa? We don't know him. How did he become an historian? How come this man speak? Everywhere shake. Obanugun. What? Tell that people they should drop that video. That video that Imasuwen Zoduwa did in voice of Benin TV. They should go and drop that video. He has contradicted our tradition twice. In 2023, he was carrying Nebe in his marriage. Enya waniki taboo awa bedo. Enya waniki bedo awa. In 2026, he was challenging the pronouncement of the Oba. And one stupid, faceless boy they call people's mandate. He no fear. No attacking me. where give the master episode water. Oh, I'm more or body. And somebody was saying, do you have any personal, any beef? Me the beef. Make God before any man. Make God before one. Anybody, if you tag me with anybody again, I will humiliate that person. I will humiliate that person. The Oba said, the Oba is not only the father of the Benin. He said he's also the father of the Esan. If Esan people does not agree, leave them. Don't insult them. Follow what the Oba says. We Esan. We are look at do. Wapa mayaki. Somebody said, if an Esan man insult the Oba of Benin, insult the entire Esan race. Emi Nigbaya. Oba. Mama Mila, I walk back. One mascot, I walk back. Era Uji, I want to move in a va. Now we are getting a back here. I never will start history. You gotta go reach now, eh? History now, you gotta go reach. I will come get studio. Wow, narrate history. I will balance, I will spend time, weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In the morning, the evening, the morning, the evening, the morning, the evening. Apa mayaki I ka wu won mo we san e manage di ma o ma work udo yo papa ni yi sen gbe why we dey I have seen some people because they marry some men and women the marriage didn't work. Yes, I said SMP. Who are SMP? SMP are those part of the Asian people who are constituting nuisance, who are saying that we are not one. They have call them SMP. Well, who taught you history? Say all of them they run up, all of them they run up and down. Thank you for the gift, Sophia. But water, that is Sophia. I hope you understand. Sophia, thank you very much. Obanugun, Manya. The guy will go reach now. I will go visit Lily for Roma. When she go chance, I will go to Roma. I will go and visit her. We will eat rice. We will eat rice and chicken together. Because my Oba says, when I see Lily, she's my sister. I will go to Roma. The day I know she will be ready. That day, family visit. I will from Torino, I will go to Roma. We'll put our life in there. We'll be eating rice together. Drink together. I'm not soon. We're not soon. If you marry a man, the marriage not work. No, I don't hear you might be one. Nobody send you market. Nobody send you message. I just want to do a small people that send request. Level people. I don't become celebrity. My celebrity don't increase. So I know Lily. Lily, if I say you get soap when you take bath me. They say you don't go bath me with soap. They say you don't bath me with soap. Oh, why not too much? Hey, they say don't go bath me with soap.
Tell where are you doing?
I did fine.
Prof,
They say your mama don't go bath me with soap.
They say you be homeless man. Homeless man, when they repeat clothes to. Homeless man, we get different type of native.
See my native. See my native.
He sharp, he clear.
See my native. Oh, homeless man. See native.
Who say they don't see, you don't see person?
you no see road, na so it be. And na so your life go the better. You know, see, you are free.
I am free. Oh, I'm free.
You know.
Sometimes person they dey inside bondage. You no go no say they inside bondage. They will tell you say, Professor, we love you. Professor, kaka na bondage you dey where you don't know.
Now when you come outside, you go know say na bondage you be there.
I can tell you, my brother.
I don't free. Oh, I do it for my body. Oh.
You don't know, Baba.
Don't worry. Yeah, look at West.
You don't know. When we start from Nika.
Akpomosa no boa o. Oh.
They won't carry you go where you don't know. Small time now, you go just dey eat for you for the eat for sleep. You don't go no say they don't carry you go do what you don't do. Oh, when they sleep, who be this one? Who be this one?
Oh God.
And I don't get a shower friend. I bet more na drop am if you dey sleep. Oh,
This
there
place, no
is.
sleeping, no sleeping. There is.
Thank you for the gift. Oh. Malcolm.
You know, see, say, wait, you know, see, say, since the day where you don't come out for that place, if you be person where they very spiritual, where they observe, where, you go just they see, say, all the things where they do, you just they soft, everything just they make way, everything just they sweet, you know, they stress. You can't they
Let it go
smile.
where?
You know they smile before now. Before you go just a strong face like person who say they fucking yash.
Now you the fucking ass. Someone kill me with laugh. Oh, Baba. Malcolm, please. I beg you in the name of God. Don't write negative comments here, please.
Come, Larry, I'll tell you, Larry.
Is it network? Now network?
No. They follow my picking talk, so that's why I mute.
Okay.
Eloghosa, the
Good
professor.
afternoon.
Really love.
I know they around since I went somewhere. I just dey wake up. Oh. I enter TikTok. Hey, Eloghosa, wetin concern me and your cousin? Shey I talk to that girl. They say na me she dey what? Okay, na me she
I don't
dey
know.
so I wetin concern me with her? She say, oh God. I
He
just
said he don't
tire oh.
he said he don't give me a two more.
It means more na face a lot. All
You
of
know,
una
say
no fit face a lot. Go and come dey do damage
you
control.
know, say if person you don't spoil, you go call the find person where you go spoil you don't join. Now
CBC
so you
wahala o. They
be
just dey shout my name. Elili,
all these
Elili,
people
Elili.
wonder.
Wetin Elili do una? More na leave me alone. Una no fit beat a lot. Go and come dey call my name. Eh?
Lily, help them beat Eloghosa. Make them rest.
They
They
want
let
make
you
they want
rest.
make you come
So
on hand for a logo matter so that
as this
them
matter they
they
go
will
like this, like
exploit them.
this. This belle
They
where all
want
of them get. Now Lily, they won't use and born. Oh, they go born one picking they call Lily. All this belle where they get for you.
They say na really na Kosamo.
Because it's all don't talk, say she go still born twins. So if she born the twins, she go name one Eloghosa. She go name the other one Lily.
Lily.
So it could be.
now there go sweet.
Oh. Oh. Get my army here in Jesus. Get my army here. Good evening, everybody. Lily, not my house. Not my house. But no, you listen to her. No, you listen to her.
Wetin concern me with her? I no even talk for una family matter. Even wetin I tell you that day, I say make you forget her, make you no talk about una family. No wetin I talk.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
See all those okpo where she
That
carry
woman,
join.
that girl na very stupid animal. You know why I talk
A
am?
useless girl.
She hear say I get special child. So okay, if I get special child, how it take affect you?
Okay.
Abeg know
Now your
that tell me.
business.
How it take affect you? You see say you dey very stupid. Woman dey laugh another person pikin. I no see wetin I want to do saga. Na una dey very stupid. In short, all those mumu wey dem
How she
dey
did hear
there.
all these things? How she did hear all these things? Because she live in Nigeria. She lives in Nigeria.
No, na those mumu dey tell am rubbish now. Well? No, know it, no dey tell you. I'm coming, Jare. Know it.
Imagine a mother.
They come.
I'm telling I tell you, you see that your what's it call her? That your sister na correct. Person know the see if she get what she fit use buy you, she go buy you. She sabi your mama name. Make you dey prayerful now. Make she no go buy you. Make she no go tie you for rope. Say this guy make it a go because she fit do that thing. Na very useless woman. And as she dey like that, she don't go to husband house. So I know. Now those baby mama she go be. And those useless people wey dey carry each other, they do one or two things. Okpo United. Wetin bring una together? Na him go disgwagwa una. Na here we dey. Na here we dey. Make everybody relax.
Yoba. Your music. Yekene kene madoyo. Ọ̀la gbèjú májà rárá o. Ọ̀tọ̀ gbèdé.
Ọba àtọ́pẹ́ iṣẹ́.
Ọba wa tó pé iṣẹ́. Ọba wa tó pé iṣẹ́. Èyí
Èmi
kàwé
kàwé
àwò ọba wa. Ìwà tó péjì. Ọba wa o. Ìwà tó péjì. Ọba wa tó pé.
iṣẹ́ o iṣẹ́.
Obi kene mother yo.
Matayo.
If you know.
25 to life. You sure say your wife no be Benin? Eh? You sure say your wife no be Benin woman?
My guy, I don't go answer you. My wife na Benin woman. So
Wait, all these Benin song when they play, they think they surprise me. Oh,
if I want catch my madam, I could just put this song. Say, she could just say this man, you be traditional man. Oh,
Top.
yeah. When they play the songs, they sing and follow.
nah, so we now. Up on my hand.
Mayaki. Who is baby something? Can you speak? Let's hear from you.
Yeah, my name is Baby Sky. Good evening, everybody. I'm the Odede for Spain, Malaga. And it's so unfortunate that I am now 57 years old, and the young man of 47 is approaching me. I refuse to agree. And later I can't regret. And since when I can't regret now, since I have started regretting, and I want the man to come back, he refused. I don't know.
Please.
I pray one day everything will settle.
I beg. I beg. We should not make sure they are missed here. Let us just discuss generally, historically.
But that is my name. No, I only talk of my name. That is my name. I don't know about any other thing. It's my name.
Voila. Okay.
Oh, Ottawa. Oba, Ogewa, oh, Ogewa, oh, Ishaya ti kwetoba. Ogime o.
Ihe ya digwetoba ogire
Ogime
nira nira.
o.
Ihe ya
Ishaya ti
vangumogu ogire
kwetoba.
wo.
Ogime o.
Ihe ya digwetoba ogire wo. Ihe ya
Ah.
vangumogu ogire
Ogime
wo.
o. Omogun atọpa
Ihe ya digwetoba ogire nira nira. Ihe ya vangumogu ogire wo. Ihe ya digwetoba ogire wo. Ihe ya vangumogu ogire wo.
Kagbẹmẹ kagbẹnulare òbí ọba àmàyá kọmọní bí àkókò nílé òbí ọba àmàyá yàrá dé àríyáwó òbí ọba àmàyá kí má kagbẹmẹ kókó má kọmọní bí ọba àmàyá.
Ugoriri. Dobanedo.
Atalakpanuwa, talakpanisu. Itumogun.
Umogun atokwe.
Ekpen no wa atalakpaniso. Ovyo
Kakabo.
duwa no he. Ovyo
Kakabo.
kene madoyo.
Kakabo.
Ikpe pulu no gboduma. Oriri ne do atalakpaniso. Ekpen no
Kakabo.
wa. Agbage no yo loku. Abie yuwa no we duwa no he.
Ọba atokwe.
Ovyo kwa bodo lo. Ovyo adovye ben. Ovyo kene madoyo. Oba no gbọmọ ẹdẹnu wí gọmọ.
Ovizoduwa. Ọba nuhe.
Bo ayemire
Emini.
Ọba gatọ pé.
All these men.
He said.
He said, all these men. Una shasha una wife not be Benin women.
I fit do Oba appellation for over 10 minutes. So
Really?
yeah, now I can't even dey forget self. Yeah.
Huh?
I fit do Oba appellation for over 10 minutes, basically. But now I can't dey forget. Thank you very much for water. You know, say TikTok, everybody guy it day TikTok now.
Everybody get
So
your madness for body.
things what I know for there, maybe an average minimum I don't know. Normal.
No,
But
you are
not
right.
be-
No, it's not.
That's so
It's
it
true. It's not like that. You are right. Even to try to quite self, it only they play deep Benin songs.
Yeah, me are the